RPM! Get in gear! Attack! Watch and learn! Move it! Doc! Dr. K. I need this!
You have weapons! Use one!
Well, Venjix will be pleased to see you again, Dr. K.
Quick, Ranger Green, teleport us!
Good idea. A perfect rescue.
No, don't! Demorph!
Why not?
Because I'm not at my computer to re-energize your morpher. Now we're stuck.
What do we do?
Don't ask me. This is all a bit over my head.
We're locked.
Out of the system.
Well, how was I supposed to know that? Ow! I think I sprained my ankle.
You either sprained it or you didn't. Thinking won't help.
You know, you could be a little nicer to me. And besides, I'm sure Gemma or Gemma know how to recharge my morpher.
They do, but my computer's locked. They'll never be able to figure out my password.
Password rejected.
Then try another one. How about Ranger?
Password rejected. You have 5 more attempts before total magnetic deletion. Password rejected.
That's...
Bad.
Well, what happened?